The Chicago
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
YouTube, still out here with this bumper, man. Trying to get it on there, but it's not lining up right, so I had to come underneath here and move these brackets over in order for the other side to fit. And cause some of these bolts ain't gonna mount up, because like I said, this off a whole different truck. Some 1500 truck, 1500 Chevy Sierra, Silverado, I don't know. I think like a 2000 or something. But I'm trying to get this hole right here to line up. Then I could play with it a little more. And them ain't nothing but 15 millimeters. Just use the breaker bar. So let me go and get back to it, line this up, cut y'all back on. All right, YouTube, back with y'all. I got it on there. Y'all can see. Got it on there. I just put the bumper cap back on there because I know I ain't about to paint it tonight.